Everybody wants to be a beast until it's time to do what real beasts do. How YouTube SEO works and how to rank your videos. Now, I'll get back to this in just a minute. FFW Real Syndicate, but stay to the end because you're going to kill your online business no matter what it is with a real mentor that will really help you and help build your team and train your team. So stay to the end. I'm going to show you everything we have to offer, including real world examples. Now here's the first step. John, schedule a coaching call with our team leader. This is a 2-minute and 43-second video that will tell you exactly how to book an appointment with our affiliate mentor specialist, Justin Temple. Now, we will help you build any online business you want, but you're going to need to get traffic. No matter what business you're in, if you can't get the eyeballs and to your offer and the butts in the seat, so to speak, you're not going to succeed. And you need to brand yourself. What am I talking about, John? Here's exactly what I'm talking about. If you have a long affiliate link company provided like this, you're not going to succeed. You need to brand yourself. This is what I mean, okay? This is what we have. This is what you will have. And this is what your team will have. And I'm going to show you exactly what it looks like, okay?
Hey, thanks for entering your email address in the previous page. My name is John Sully, and you're here because you want to make $1,000 a day, right? But
okay, you see how it says I have a little video introducing myself. We tell you exactly what to say. It has my number, it has my name, it has subtitles, etc., right? And it has a timer that's going down, right? It has my, again, name, picture, phone number, email, customized email address, and then my bonuses that you all can get, by the way. So this is what you want to have. This is going to brand you as a leader. This is something you don't see all the time. This is a key to making money online, is building your list and standing out as an authority and being the person with the bonuses that everybody wants to join. They'll look for affiliate mentor or whatever your program is, and then they're going to look for the bonuses. Don't you want to have the bonuses and the page that makes you stand out as a leader and makes you the sought after person you always needed to be, and the person that's going to be walking stages and topping leaderboards? You want to be that person, right? We're going to teach you how to be that person, and we're going to train you, and we're going to train your people, and we're going to train your people's people. We will help you build a team and get them fully trained. What I mean? Okay, I'm going to show you another example with YouTube. Now, I would show you this in incognito mode, but the problem with incognito mode is you will see a blank video. So you see how mine is the first, this is a sponsored link. If I look for affiliate mentor traffic authority, that is, the first one is the person that's going to train you. That's a playlist, by the way, okay? And there is my video right there. Number 2.
in 2025, let's go. Affiliate.
But it's really number 1 because the first one just so happens to be affiliate mentor review by Traffic Authority. But this is the guy that will train you. And this is the guy that tops all leaderboards, every company he's in, including, by the way, a company when he was 15, his first ever of MLM affiliate marketing, whatever you want to use, a company that had 200,000 affiliates. He was 15 years old in his first company, his first trying to make money online, and he was in the top 200. Don't you want to learn from a person that's always succeeded and is number 2 or number 3 in his current leaderboard? This is a guy that will help you make money and will train your people. You have like a clone army of people that are fully trained. And what I mean, again, I'm going to show you an example, okay? This is what the page looks like that will train you exactly the steps you need to do day in and day out that originally it take maybe about an hour and a half, 2 hours, but once you get good, it will take less than an hour a day, okay? That's usually what it's currently taking me to rank on YouTube every single day. You can do this. Anybody can do this, and you don't have to make a video of you dancing or even being on camera if you don't want to. You can do a video just like this. I'll show you exactly what I'm using, and you can do it, or you could talk to Justin Temple. And how you get to Justin Temple is through me. Now look at the steps. Set up your AM system, get branded funnel tools, have us build your brand, make your first YouTube video. Now what, if I click on this, okay, it's going to take me to the video, right? This is a 33-minute video. We will give you the title, we'll give you the keywords, all the titles, by the way, all the keywords, all the descriptions, exactly how to rank on YouTube day in and day out with every single video you do. Our team is dominating the leaderboard. So now that Mac Mills is in, and he was given the #1 spot that was the company spot, it's now in Mac Mills' name. So eventually he's going to start going to this, and everybody else will start following him. But guess what? We already own the YouTube and Google leaderboard. We already are making tons of videos, okay? Look at you also get 150 email swipes with this. You get list of top Facebook marketers to engage with, the list of keywords to do now, the bridge video training, what to do when you get an AM sale, your daily profit steps, add video to autoresponder, exactly what to do every single day, okay? To succeed online with any business, give a man a fish, you feed him for a day. Teach a man to fish, and you feed him for a lifetime. We're going to build you a clone army in whatever business you want. And what is Affiliate Mentor? Affiliate Mentor is my recommended program to get you and your people traffic. And it pays huge, okay? If you heard of Save Club, you're getting 50 cents a member. They're talking about $4,000 a month. Do you know it will take 8,000 members just to make 4,000? And the number's higher than 4,000. 8,000 people. Okay? You're not getting 8,000 people. And if you were, it would take you decades to get that. Or you can get like $68 a member in our VA. I think it's $80 a member in our VIP. You are going to get spillover in that, okay? And it also pays $20 a month when somebody buys core, and what is it? $500 a pop when you cycle. And then you go back in, because it takes $250. So you make $750 actually, but $250 to go back in leaves a total of $500 every time you cycle. And if somebody else cycles, you get $250, 50% check match. Okay, it pays big. And what is the product? Traffic. Everybody needs traffic to build any online business, okay? And I'm going to show you another example of what we offer that nobody else is offering. We have the best bonuses. We have the best training. We are dominating YouTube and even Google. And here's another example of what we offer, okay? Give me a second. I'll be right back. Okay, this is this is one of our 4 or 5 different groups, right, that are similar. This one is SFW Real Syndicate Group, okay? And what it does, okay, group rules. Please create all your social media accounts in the build phase so you can access all short form platforms and use the Reel Syndication Group. Now, then in the group, you will see Reels for YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and TikTok. Pick a reel, like the video, comment on the reel, watch the reel twice so it gets a looped view. So if it's 10 seconds, they're watching at least 20 seconds of your video. Now repeat this for 5 other members before you post your video to get boosted. Can you imagine how much engagement you're going to have in YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, or TikTok? When you post your reel in the group, you must use our post template below. Keyword. Here is my reel post. The link. Thank you. Makes sense? We're the best team. We have the best training. We have the bonuses you need. And I'll show you with the example of the bonus to train your team. That goes to anybody who joins Core for $50 a month and you make $20 a member. Guess what? If you have 50 members, that's $1,000 a month. Just at Core. That's not counting the Core Annual, which is 2 years, by the way. And you need traffic. Affiliate Mentor is the front end for Traffic Authority. We will teach you how to rank every single video you put up in YouTube, and in some cases, Google. This is evergreen traffic. It will continue to build and build and build as you build authority, and then you'll be able to rank for even bigger keywords and keyword phrases. Give a man a fish, you feed him for a day. Teach a man to fish, you feed him for a lifetime. We will build whatever team you build your team and train them in whatever program you want as your go-to program. And we will help you build multiple income streams. Again, from a guy that dominates all leaderboards. This is the real deal, and he will help you day in and day out. Okay, he's not doing this forever. You need to get in, and I'll show you what our real bonuses look like. 15,000 in bonuses. Give me a half a second. All right, you saw what I'm using day in and day out on the first bonus. That's for anybody who comes in the $50 level. But if I believe you come in the VIP level, you get up to Elite Marketer for free, and you can get 50% off on each of these levels, okay? For free, and any, if you want to be paid in Cash App, Venmo, Zelle, Litecoin, Bitcoin, whatever you want to be paid in, you can get paid at 50%. And guess what? You didn't pay to get in Simple Freedom Warriors, okay? And this has elite training in every single level. And he runs a webinar every single week and then does a replay. We have the best bonuses. We have the best training. We're dominating YouTube. We're dominating Google. And you will do the same. Not just you, but your team. We will build your team and train them to dominate forever in any program. Period. You want to be with us. We have the bonuses you need, and we will help train your people day in and day out. Again, the first step right here. Let me go back. Let me load it. I'll be right back. John, schedule a coaching call with our team leader. Book an appointment with our affiliate mentor specialist, Justin Temple. These calls are designed to be DFY sponsor style to help your team get their AM business set up, even if you're not available as a sponsor. We help your team because we know many of our affiliates are busy and maybe working a 9-to-5 or running ads. Please prepare any questions you may have before a meeting. I'm going to show you again YouTube because this is super important. Give me a second. I'll be right back, and I'm going to wrap this up. This is our team's results. Look, postcards lifestyle, postcard lifestyle, postcard lifestyle, postcard lifestyle. There's another one. There's Charles S. Dukes, another member of ours. Okay? Here's another one. There's another one. And I'll look at a different one. Review 2020. Give me a second. Give me a second. This was my video on how YouTube SEO works and how to rank your videos. We will help you rank every single video you do. Period. You want to be with us? This is JJ Saleh, aka John Saleh, aka your friendly neighborhood settlement. Don't delay. Get with JJ today. Like, share, follow for more. and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.